In this video, let's talk about can you put your Land Rover Defender wheel spacers on aftermarket wheels? When you are ready to upgrade the wheels, aftermarket wheels not only enhance the look, making your car more stylish but also improve the performance to a certain extent. Bigger tires provide better cornering and more stability, but they also need more space for rounding the inside of the wheel well and the outer fenders. BONOSS wheel spacers are an easier way of creating the desired clearance to correct the offset by pushing the wheels away from the wheel hub assembly. This added spacing is necessary for keeping those larger tires for your vehicle from crashing into the fenders and suspension when operating a full term. Wheel spacers result be cost-effective when used in the installation of wider wheels. This also saves the cost of buying a set of new custom aftermarket wheels or tires. The other reason why you need wheel spacers for aftermarket wheels is the conversion ability of this part. Wheel spacers with conversion functions are called wheel adapters. They allow you to fit wheels to your vehicle when the PCD doesn't match. By using the wheel adapters, you can build your own PCD conversion customer specifications. BONOSS offers a huge range of wheel adapters to fit a massive variety of different vehicles, manufactured by our own factory. These wheel adapters are made by CNC 0.02mm tolerance, machining to the highest possible quality, and a full 66 SGS and TV test report. All BONOSS wheel spacers are machined with all necessary hardware components, including wheel lug nut or wheel bolts to suit your vehicle. Every vehicle is different, so please make sure which is suitable for your requirements. If you have any questions about the wheel spacers, leave your comment. Thanks for watching and have a great day.